how in the world did something jump a 3-foot fence? And it was the next afternoon after Freddie and had installed our cameras when we discovered that something had been moved in the backyard. What are we to do? And when we found our neighbor throwing the stuff over the fence and trespassing in our yard, it was a relief. Okay, it's not cool that she did that, but we don't have to worry about who's coming in our backyard, our fenced backyard. So we were pleased to have the cameras for that reason. But that's not why we got the cameras. We got the cameras to be able to watch the little doggies when they go out, to know what they're doing. And when we travel, we have the ability to pull them. He can do it on his phone, and I can do it on my phone, to pull up, and if there's been a storm here, we can see if anything's fallen, if trees down, and all of that. And D-Tronics actually did our doorbell too. And we really like the doorbell because we have hearing problems because we're old. And, and it notifies us on the phone that there's a detection at the front door. So there's lots of good reasons to have the security and the camera and the calmness of being able to see what's happening around your place without asking a friend to, okay, would you please unlock the side gate and go in the backyard and look at this and look at that. Mm-hmm.